Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy a TikTok account for TikTok Shop affiliate. So let's get started. So here we are in fameswap.com, and this is the platform that we'll be using in buying a TikTok Shop affiliate account. So from here, you can already see the featured pages and channels. So make sure that you check the badge here. If it has a TikTok badge, then that would mean that it is a TikTok account, because there are also other accounts right here that is for sale, like Twitter, YouTube, and so on. So once you have made sure that it's a TikTok account, you can click on that account, like for example this one. So I can click on this account right here, and then you can see here that in the description, TikTok Shop affiliate. So make sure that this account is for TikTok Shop affiliate right here, since you are looking for a TikTok Shop affiliate, which you can find here in their description. And then from here, you can see the offers right here by other people. So they are offering, the highest is $250 right here. So in this one, you can compete here to get this account by sending an offer right here that is higher than the current one. And then you can also contact the seller here if you have questions about the account, or maybe you have some other negotiations in mind. Then you can definitely talk to the seller here and yeah, just chat it out right here. And remember that you must not contact them outside of FameSwap, or don't let them contact you outside of FameSwap, because that would be out of FameSwap's hands, so they won't be able to help you once anything goes wrong. And you can see other details right here, like here in the attachments, you can see the pictures of the account, some details, and so on, and similar accounts for sales right here. So you can also see other TikTok Shop affiliate that is for sale. And then the next thing is, if you don't want to get your choices here in the featured pages and channels, you can click here on browse all listings. And then from here, you'd be able to see all of the accounts for sale here in FameSwap. And then you can see the type, TikTok, Twitter, here is YouTube, and so on. So make sure that you have the TikTok badge right here, and then you can see the audience, the price, and the listed right here. When was it listed, and so on. So for example, I'm gonna click here, and then from here you should be seeing all the details, the offers, and then you can also contact them. So yeah, that is basically how you can buy a TikTok account. So now, if you're wondering if it is safe, then what you can do is that you can click here on escrow. And from here, you can see the process of the transaction, so that you can make sure that you will not get scammed. So from here, as you can see, the step one would be the buyer and seller would agree to the escrow terms, and the buyer would fund the FameSwap escrow account with wire transfer payment. So what you will be doing exactly is that you will be sending the payment to the escrow. So escrow will be your middleman into this transaction right here. So after that, once escrow receives the payment that you have just sent, then escrow or FameSwap would now receive the details of the account from the seller right here. And then after that, FameSwap would verify information is correct and passes it to you, which is the buyer. And then after that, you will now have the time to inspect the account right here. Make sure that nothing goes wrong. Everything is included on what is advertised on the account. So once you have made sure everything is good, then now you can now confirm the seller payout right here. So once you have confirmed that, the seller will now receive the payment and transaction is now complete. So as you can see, that would be very safe because you have escrow as your middleman. And now, one last thing is to remember here in the warning, FameSwap agents will never contact you by email or from any social media channel. So every conversation is only here in FameSwap. Remember that one. So if someone is messaging you from outside of FameSwap, then that is a scam. And all communication is done on this website regarding all escrow transactions. Never send a login or password by email to anyone. So if you get contacted, please make sure to report it to FameSwap right here, and no other domain or website. If you have any suspicion about someone, contact FameSwap support immediately and verify everything. Remember, it's okay to wait and verify everything. If your buyer or seller is legitimate, they will wait right here. So this is the only platform of FameSwap. So if they're trying to take you to another one, then that is obviously a scam. So that is basically it for this video on how you can buy a TikTok account for TikTok Shop affiliate.